What is SEO and why does your website need it? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's like giving your website a VIP pass to the online party. Imagine the internet is like a massive library. SEO helps your website become the coolest book in that library. Whenever you use Google or Bing, SEO helps your website show up at the very top and be like, I've got the information that you're looking for. SEO involves using the right words, keywords. These are the secret sauce that search engines love. Think of these keywords as the chapter titles in your book. SEO isn't just about impressing the search engines. It's about creating an amazing experience for your visitors. Fast load times, mobile friendliness, and ease of navigation. That's the important stuff. Think of your website as a celebrity. SEO helps your website get more famous by using the links to and from other cool websites. The more quality links, the more search engines are going to think, yeah, this website is a star. So why does your website need SEO? Imagine having an amazing store with amazing products, but it's in the back of the alley where no one can find it. SEO helps rank your website at the top of Google so everyone can find it straight away. So if you want your website to be the star of the show, hit our front to back development and let's give your website the VIP treatment it deserves.